And hey everybody, today we're over here at the Medicine Show Arcade, and if you guys aren't familiar with this one, it's over at the Port Orleans Riverside. What do you guys see when you walk in the door? A big old footprint, lots of arcade games. This is the way arcades are supposed to be. There are some smaller ones on Disney property, but this is one of the bigger ones. So this one actually compares up to the All-Stars and the Contemporary. It's a really nice size arcade with lots of different video games in here. So you guys aren't going to come in and get bored. You're going to be able to walk around for a little bit and decide what you're looking at. If you guys get the chance, we do want to remind you we are giving away an authentic Star Wars Stormtrooper hat, guys. It's a collectible 2021. Don't miss out on it. As soon as we hit 5,000 subscribers, somebody's going to win that hat. You know, might as well be you. It costs you nothing, guys. Just subscribe, share it out, tell the friends, tell the family, guys. And this arcade, getting back to the arcade, this is actually one of ours that we like to frequently visit. We load up the little card that you get, and then you just give the kids the card. They walk around, they keep a balance on it and stuff like that. So when you guys come in, you are going to get one of them cards, and you're going to be able to recharge that card as you come in here. The lighting on some of these is kind of cool, just walking around. But, you know, the Wicked Tuna, that's making a new debut into most of these arcades. I'm seeing it more and more walking around. Got Morgan there, and he's looking around for anything that's of interest to him. We'll actually do the filming, and he'll stop and just start playing some games while we're filming, because we'll just go in and out of these places so much that he's like, why he's there, he wants to play it, not miss out. I always keep a card in my pocket, and I always keep a balance on it while we're here. This way they always got an option to go play that. But as you can see, this is a bigger one. So each person has their own type of arcade they want, but it's nice when you walk in these places and they've got really, really big rooms, and it's well lit, and it's in a good area too. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, we do recommend that. Give us a like out there. And if this giveaway goes as planned, we're going to be giving away one of them lightsabers. The authentic lightsabers, you see them going around the parks and stuff. They're $300 lightsabers, guys. What we're going to do is put the word out, see if we can get some comments of what kind of lightsaber you guys want us to get. And if we get this turnout, we get our 5,000 subscribers, that one's going to be pushing us over the 10,000 mark.